Namaste. I, Jagjit Singh, captain of Shivalik House of the school, welcome you all in the morning assembly of Saint Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today is 3rd September 2021. First of all, let's have a look on Panchang. So, I would like to invite our Sanskrit teacher Acharya Sunil Dutt Gautam to share today Panchang with us. Namaste sir.
नमस्ते। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2078, शक संवत 1943, आज भाद्रपद माह के कृष्ण पक्ष की एकादशी तिथि है, जिसे हम अजा एकादशी के नाम से जानते हैं। आज का नक्षत्र पुनर्वसु, आज का योग व्यतिपात है। प्रविष्टि की यदि बात करें तो आज भाद्रपद माह के 18 प्रविष्टे घटित हो रहे हैं। मुस्लिम माह मुहर्रम की आज 25 तारीख है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you sir. Now it's time to start the prayer. So I would request you all to close your eyes and join your hands for the prayer.
All classes be ready for Gayatri Mantra. All classes be ready for prayer.
जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। जय वीरेश्वर जय शिव शंकर जय 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 महाराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। मोहतिमिरहर प्रखर दिवाकर उदित जगत हितकार। मोहतिमिर हर प्रखर दिवाकर उदित जगत हितकाज तमनाशत जड़ चित जगवत चेतन सकल समाज तमनाशत जड़ चित जगवत चेतन सकल समाज मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल 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 त्रिभुवन के सरताज मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल त्रिभुवन के सरताज सकल विद्या भ्रांति हरो प्रभु सकल विद्या भ्रांति हरो प्रभु चित में करो विराज जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज
अस्तो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ Be ready for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम
Now, I would like to invite Meghna of class 4th B to share a motivational story. The title of the story is The Foolish Thief. Let's hear the story. Namaste Meghna.
Namaste, respected principal sir, vice principal ma'am, teachers, parents and my dear friends. I am Meghna of class 4B. Today I am going to narrate a story of Akbar and Birbal and the title of story is The Foolish Thief. Once upon a time a rich merchant was robbed in King Akbar's kingdom. The grief-stricken merchant went to the court and asked for help. Akbar asked Birbal to help the merchant find the robber. The merchant told Birbal that he was suspicious of one of his servants. On getting the hint from the merchant, Birbal summoned all the servants and told them to stand in a straight line. When asked about the robbery, everyone denied doing it. As expected, Birbal then handed over one stick of the same length to each one of them. While dispersing, Birbal said, "By tomorrow, the robber's sticks will increase by 2 inches. The next day, when Birbal summoned everyone and inspected their sticks, one servant's stick was shorter by 2 inches. On being asked by the merchant about the mystery to finding the real thief, Birbal said, "It was simple. The thief had cut his stick by 2 inches, fearing that it would increase in size." Moral of the story is truth always prevails. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Meghna. Today is Skyscraper Day. To know more about it, I would like to invite Prikshit of class 9th A. Namaste, Prikshit.
Namaste, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I, Prikshit Man of class 9th A of St. Vivekanand Millennium School, is today going to share some information about skyscrapers with you. Skyscrapers across the world have captured people's imagination. In modern times, skyscrapers often define a city's skyline. Historically, there has always been a quest for height. Right from the pyramids of Egypt to the countless skyscrapers now, architects pushed their creative skills to build something awe-inspiring. Skyscrapers Day is celebrated every year on September 3, on the birth anniversary of Louis H. Sullivan, often called the father of modern skyscrapers. The term skyscraper originated in the United States in the late 1880s. Historically, this was the time when there was a building boom in New York and Chicago. According to GuinnessWorldRecords.com, the world's first skyscraper came up in Chicago in 1885. A 10-story building with its peak at 138 feet was called the Home Insurance Building. The architect of the world's first skyscraper was Major William Lee Baron Janney. Records say the skyscraper in Chicago did not last long and it was demolished in 1931, the same year when the Empire State Building in New York came up. Constructing a single skyscraper requires large quantities of material like steel, concrete, and glass, and these materials represent significant embodied energy. Skyscrapers are thus material and energy intensive buildings, but skyscrapers can have long lifespans. For example, the Empire State Building in New York, United States, completed in 1931 and remains in active use. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Prikshit. Now, I would like to invite Preetham, a student of class 7B, to share a new word with us. Namaste, Preetham.
Namaste, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents and my fellow friends. I am Preetham of class 7th B from St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today's my word is sulk. Its meaning is to be in a bad mood. Its synonym are brood and mope. Its antonym are joy and smile. Its example sentence is Jim is unhappy and goes into a sulk for a while. I repeat, Jim is unhappy and goes into a sulk for a while. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Preetham. Now, it's time to wish our birthday student. Today is birthday of Naman Thakur of 7th B, Chirag Rai of 6th B, and Tanvi of 5th B. Let's wish them by singing the birthday song. So, I request you all to sing with us and bless the student.
सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, खुशियाँ सालों साल की। सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना, तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना। तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की, तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Our principal sir, vice principal ma'am, teachers and parents all are giving their blessings to you. Once again, I wish you a very happy birthday. For more information regarding the school, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. That's it in today's assembly. Take care of yourself. Have a great day. Namaste.